Net Promoter within franchise systems can have a lot of additional benefits. So Net Promoter is going to let you stack rank your franchisees so that you can observe the highest performing locations and glean best practices and share those across the network. And then conversely, you're going to have specific additional insight you might need to move poorly performing locations out of the network and onto their next opportunity. You can also use NPS in the franchise sales process to prove potential franchise candidates that your business model works, instill confidence in those guys and your brand. And then we've also seen franchise systems use NPS to provide evidence to potential investors of the same thing. This metric is a de facto standard for predicting growth and retention, and it's used by some of the largest, most prestigious brands on the planet. So you want a simple survey process. NPS, as you know, we're big fans of. It's a 2-question process. It's going to get you a lot of information. It's simple for your customers to understand. It's simple for your franchisees to understand. And it's easy for you to use as a metric across the brand. If you don't use NPS, you're definitely going to want a question that can be compared over time. So what happens as you start getting feedback is that you start getting insights and making operational improvements. So this isn't a one-and-done type of process. You're going to be making gradual improvements and iterating over time. And so you want a question that can be appropriate as you move through that process. You're also going to want to use a question that generates a measurable outcome. So again, you need a metric. And again, NPS is perfect in that way as well. And then finally, I'm sure I don't need to explain this to this crowd. You're going to want to use the same question across the entire franchise network. Consistency is key so that the data that you gather is really actionable and provide the most value.